Hello everyone, I am Om Srivastav and today I am thrilled to present before you our innovative project, the Smart Bag. Now imagine this, you're walking to school and suddenly it starts raining or the sun gets too harsh. You might struggle to take out umbrella from your bag, which could result to be too hectic. So, we identified this common problem faced by the students which could cause to cold, cough, flu, or even heat strokes. So we decided to solve this common problem of getting faced by the unpredictable weather. So we chose different sensors to monitor the weather conditions regularly so that the user could be protected by rain or intense heat. For this, we have chose the soil moisture sensor to detect the rain and the DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor to detect the sunlight. I would like to introduce you to the components used in our bag. So, firstly, there is a foldable umbrella that is attached to a servo motor which is at the front of the bag. Next, there is the soil moisture sensor and a DHT11 temperature which monitor the weather conditions regularly. Next, there is an OLED display which stands for Organic Light Emitting Diode which could keep the user updated. Next, there is an Arduino Nano, the microcontroller, which is the brain of this bag and is placed inside the bag. And at last but not the least, there is a power bank which powers up this whole system and is kept in an insulated case that is at the front side of the bag. So, I would like to introduce you to the working of a project. So, firstly, the whole process starts when this soil moisture sensor detects any moisture like this. Then this umbrella gets deployed instantly to protect the user. And also, if the DHT11 temperature sensor detect temperature conditions over 30 degrees Celsius, then also this umbrella gets deployed to protect the user. Now, I would like to tell you the benefits of a bag. So first and foremost, it's easy to use and it's user friendly with no sharp edges to protect the user from the rain or intense heat. Secondly, it has a quick response system to protect the user instantly. Thirdly, there is no need to carry any extra gear as the umbrella is built into this bag. In conclusion, I would say that this project truly shows how smart technology can solve a problem of unpredictable weather which is faced by the students. This project shows how the students could not get drenched books or wet clothes from the rain or intense heat. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you liked the project. Thank you.